Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today I'm going to show you this quick tip about a door lock problem because I got a phone call from Mrs. Jim the Car Guy who had the door that wouldn't close for her. She went, see, it just doesn't lock. Don't slam the car or the door, you'll damage the latch itself. Very quick repair. You'll grab yourself a can of penetrating oil or a screwdriver or a thin finger, whatever you want to use. We come down underneath here. And the problem we have is that this latch flips over by accident. That latch is supposed to be open to accommodate that piece on the door right there, but you can see here that it's actually flipped over and is actually causing it to not close properly. Very easily repaired. You just come in here with some WD-40 or penetrating oil, whatever you have. Give it a little bit of the penetrating oil like that. You take your finger or you take your screwdriver, you put it up underneath here, and you're going to push outward this way against this plastic latch right here. You grab the door handle right here, you pull up on the door handle, and you push it, and you see it pops right open. Again, I'll show you again. See how the latch hits it right there. We just push out on it, pull the door handle, and it pops right open just like that. And then the door closes just the way it's supposed to. Now I will tell you this, sometimes what happens in this situation too, if you slam the door you can damage it, just don't slam it. Alright, so that's it. Spray with some penetrating oil, or WD-40, whatever lubricant you have, and you'll be all done. Alright, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.